a short video to demonstrate the Ducati 750SS Super Sport. So first thing we're going to do is to climb on, start the engine and go for a little ride on it. We'll be checking the brakes, clutch, gears, transmission, that sort of thing. So right, we'll start the engine first. As you turn it on, you can see the all in the neutral light come up there. Still a bit cold at the moment. Right, so once the traffic's cleared, up to the junction, so just applying a little bit of rear brake and then a little bit more. I can feel from that the rear brake feels as powerful as it should do, and the disc feels nice and flat. Now the same with the front, a little bit of front brake, a bit more. I can feel from that the front brake disc feels nice and flat, and it also feels as powerful as it should do. So now I'm going to work my way up through the gears. I'm in first gear at the moment. First, second, third,